Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Leeds Council Tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Leeds Council Tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in youraccount.leeds.gov.uk and make a search. You will end up on the official page of Leeds Council Tax account. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Sign In Register option. Now enter your email address and password associated with your Leeds Council Tax account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Leeds Council Tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.